Since the dawn of time, humanity has gazed into the infinite sky, searching for meaning. What if the universe is not out there, but also within us? Every wave carries a memory. Every leaf is a fragment of eternity. In silence, nature whispers the same truths the stars have spoken for billions of years. We are stardust, yet we dream of infinity. Are we matter, or the universe experiencing itself? Perhaps consciousness is the bridge between the visible and the unseen. What if time is not a line, but an ocean? What if countless realms exist, layered upon each other, invisible to our eyes? Every choice, every thought, creating ripples across dimensions. Is consciousness born from the brain, or is the brain only a receiver? Perhaps awareness itself is the foundation of reality. In every heartbeat, the cosmos awakens. The universe is not just around us, it is within us.